Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is candy washer and dryer. This machine having problem, its motor not rotating, at the same time it's showing E08 error message. Now we have to troubleshoot the problem. What is the exactly problem? Why is not drum not rotating? First of all, we have to check the motor continuity and connection, everything. After that only we can recognize what is the exact problem. The E08 actually this is inverter system without carbon brushes. This motor machine running, because of that we have to check properly what is the exact problem. We will give a step. I will show you the problem with the machine. Now I am selecting here the rings, drain and spin and drain. Now I am going to select direct spin. Now drain, I am selecting here direct spin 10 minutes. Now I will start the machine. Now you can see it is showing through the display, it is drain and spin 10 minutes, remaining time 10 minutes. Within few minutes it will show error E08. See the error message, it is E08. Now we have to remove the machine, we have to remove the back of the motor. We have to check properly what is the exactly problem. Now we will check motor and motor continuity, also main control board, everything we have to check. Now in this situation, now we have to recognize the problem. Actually what is the problem exactly, motor or main control board. This both is chance to defect. Because of that we have to check properly exactly which part damage, motor or main control board. Because of that we have to remove the back cover and we will check. Now I already removed the back cover. Now you can see here this one actually it is inverter motor. You can see here I will remove the connection here. Now I am going to check the motor here, inverter motor. It should be the same volume, all three wires. It is motor, look like motor is okay. But now we have to exactly, because this motor not rotating, this one, but without inverter system it should be motor modular, otherwise carbon brushes, everything. But this one brushless DD motor. Because of that we have to check only the continuity only. Now I will do one thing, I will check with another motor if it is working or not. After that we have to check main control board. Now I will replace the another motor and we will check. Now I having new motor, this is from the company. Now I am going to replace the motor. I will check it is problem with the motor or not. Now I will give the power connection here, like that, temporary we can check. And I already given power connection and we will check here. Now I already given power connection. Again I am going to select spin and drain cycle here, drain and spin. I will start the machine. It's showing 10 minutes and drain pump already start. Motor is okay. Old one also, this new motor not rotating. That's mean motor is okay. Problem with the main control board. Because of that, now I'm going to replace the main control board because I already ordered this motor and control board together, because this customer actually is very hurry to repair this machine because of that. And now what I'm going to do, I will remove the main control board and we will check the main control board. Now I'm going to remove the main control board and we will check. Because it's very difficult to take the control board. Now I already released the motor. Now we can take the control board out here. We will disconnect all the connections from the motor, from the control board. And all the locks here. If you want to take picture, you can take, otherwise, but all the connections are not, connectors are not same, cannot fix any other connector. See this one. Now if you try to fix any other connectors, because all the connectors. Now I already disconnect all the connectors from the control board. Now we will remove the control board and we will check if any damage or something. We have to remove these two screws. Now here one cockroach actually is already got here. You can see here it's already rusty because the one cockroach already got shorted here. It should be this is the problem, but anyway we will check. I have already new control board, because of that we will check with that if it is okay, no issue. Here you can see here already oxide came, because that cockroach already here is dead. Now I having new control board from the company. Now I'm going to check with this. This is new board. This is old one. Here you can see here also it's some here it's already shorted. It's damage here. This one already here gone. And anyway we will check with the new PCB control. And we will replace and check. Now I already fixed all the connectors for the control board. Now we will check with we already finished. Now we will check with the motor. This is the motor connection. And now we will keep like that temporary, and after that I will check again if it is motor working or not. Now it should work. Actually we already replaced the control board. Drain and spin, start the machine. It's showing 10 minutes again. Drain and spin. Now drain motor still working. Now we will check motor. Yes my dear, it is you can see motor is working. That's mean problem with the main control board. Now we know the problem, not problem with the motor. This one I already fixed the old motor. Now we can fix motor and all finally. After that we will check. Now I already fixed the motor. Now I am going to fix belt here. Now it is okay. Now I will give power connection again. Now I already given power. Again I am selecting spin cycle. Now it came already rings. I will go for the spin direct. Now we will start. Here it's showing to the display 10 minutes. Now motor will start, drum will rotate. Drain motor already got start. Now you can see drum is rotating. Now problem we got, our problem already resolved. Problem with the main control board, not problem with the motor. I am using old motor which is already fixed with the motor washing machine. The same motor I am using, only just replace the main control board. Machine is running well. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.